Welcome to Gen Quiz, General Knowledge, English and Numerical Quiz. General Knowledge. There are 20 questions to answer. You have 10 seconds for each question. You must choose the correct answer before time runs out. You can share your score in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you're ready, let's get started. Which genetic disorder is caused by the presence of an extra chromosome 21? Answer: C. Down syndrome. Which country was the first to grant women the right to vote? Answer: A. New Zealand. In which sport can you win the Davis Cup? Answer: C. Tennis. How long do elephants stay pregnant? Answer: C. 22 months. What is another term for the hashtag symbol? Answer: B. Octothorpe. What type of structure is commonly associated with a portcullis? Answer: D. Castle. What is the region in space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter that contains numerous rocky bodies? Answer: B. Asteroid belt. How many U.S. presidents were impeached? Answer: A. 3. In what year was the first iPhone released? Answer: D. 2007. What is the world's hottest chili pepper? Answer: B. Carolina Reaper. In which country does Gouda cheese originate? Answer: A. Netherlands. Which golfer is known as the Golden Bear? Answer: A. Jack Nicklaus. In which country did the board game Trivial Pursuit originate? Answer: C. Canada. Which Mexican dish is known as insect caviar? Answer: C. Escamoles. Who is considered the founder of modern nursing? Answer: D. Florence Nightingale. What hormone is involved in the regulation of water balance in the body? Answer: D. Aldosterone. Which dinosaur is known for its feathered wings and is believed to be capable of gliding? Answer: C. Microraptor. What does the word Zorro mean in Spanish? Answer: A. Fox. J.C. Chasez was a former member of which American boy band? Answer B. NSYNC. What is the collective name for a group of unicorn? Answer D. Blessing. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.